Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a YouTube channel. So first what you're going to have to do is go to www.youtube.com and then you're going to go to sign in on the top right corner. Now you're going to press use another account, and then what you're going to do is press create account on the very bottom. Now you can put in your name, your email address, but for this one we're going to do create an email account instead. Now this will create an email account, whatever username you put in here. So I'm going to put test 1111. Now we're going to put in a password. And then press next. So test has already been taken, so I'm just going to add a couple more ones. And it's taken again. There we go. So you're going to have to put in your phone number, so Google tests that you're not a robot. And then Google will be sending you a quick verification code. So mine right here is G64717. So 4717. Now press verify. Shit. So once you have your code in that you received through text, press verify. And then here you're going to insert all the information that you want Google to know. So recovery email address, I'm going to skip all this for now. Put in just a random birthday. Select your gender. And then press next. Now you're going to go down all the way to the bottom and then press I agree to all the terms and services. Going to load for a little bit. And then now what we're going to do is press sign in. This will sign you into your new account. And then press on your account logo on the top right hand corner. And then press my channel. Now this will be your YouTube channel name. So for the sake of this test, I'll just put my channel name as test6677 and then press create channel. Now, here is your new YouTube channel. So we're going to go to customize channel, and then we can insert a profile photo. We can also add channel art, which you can do later on. And then here you can insert a channel description. So I'm just going to put testing it. Press done and it'll save. Then you could go ahead, go to settings, and then check all your privacy information. So if you like all of this, then just press save. Now you can go to about. Here's your description. You can put in your location if you want, and then you can also add some links to your channel. But for the sake of this video, I'm not going to do any of that right now. So once you're done all of that, you're going to go on to Creator Studio. And then once you're on Creator Studio, here you can upload a video if you'd like. Uploading a video is simple as pressing upload and then clicking right in the center there, and then you can select any file on your computer to upload to YouTube. So I'm gonna go this quick music. Now to upload a video, just press upload video, and then press right here on select files to upload. and you can upload any file in your computer. So I'm going to insert just this screen recording I recorded earlier to test. Press choose. And then here's your video. It's uploading right now. Don't worry, it's not uploading it to YouTube right now. It's just getting ready to upload it. So it says uploading. You can insert a description. I'm going to put screen recording. And then here you can insert tags that are relevant to the description of your video. So the first tag you should be putting in is the title of your video. So screen recording. And then press return. And then you can put in any tags you'd like, as many as you want, as long as they're relevant to your video. Now, as soon as your video is done uploading, then you can edit all of your information again. You can edit your description, put in new relevant tags. So another tag I can put in is screen. Enter. And now here you can choose your video. So you can choose private, so only you can see it. Scheduled, so only people can see it at certain times. And then unlisted, that makes it so you can see it when you have the link. So for the purpose of this video, I'll just put public. And then here below are your video thumbnails. Now, thumbnails, you just select one that you'd like. This is what you see when you click on somebody's video at first. So when you see the title of a video, the picture that you see on the video is the thumbnail. So I like this thumbnail right here. I'm gonna select that. So once I like all of my settings for the video, as soon as you press publish, then that video is gonna be uploaded to YouTube. So just make sure you've everything final and you're ready. Now, you can upload custom thumbnails on your videos, because right now, YouTube is just pulling up random photos from inside of your video. So if you want to upload custom thumbnails and record videos and upload them on YouTube that are over 15 minutes long, you have to do this. So first, click on your profile, and then you want to go to Creator Studio. I'm already on Creator Studio, so this is what it'll look like once you click on it. It should be about right here. And then you're gonna go to the very bottom where it says Creator Studio Classic. You're gonna click on that. And then once you're in Creator Studio Classic, you can go to Channel. And then here you can see your copyright strikes. You don't want any of those. Community guidelines status. And then all of your monetization. You have to have 1,000 subscribers or over, and over 4,000 watch hours in the past year to unlock monetization. And then, so if you want to upload a custom thumbnail, what you have to do is press verify right here. And now what this is going to do, select your country, and then select if you want it to call or text you, and then insert your phone number. It'll send you another code. You put in the code, and then your YouTube account will be verified. Now, don't panic if you can't upload custom thumbnails at first, because YouTube takes probably about 8 hours to realize that you have actually verified your account, just because the servers have tons and tons of activity on them. So once you're done that, then you're basically done. So whenever you want to upload a video on YouTube, press the upload button, and then select files to upload, and you can just insert any video you'd like. Keep uploading to your channel and it'll grow. So I hope this video helped, and yeah, talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.